Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Shivangsh from Sync with the Universe. Thank you so very much for tuning in. We're doing messages from the universe, and let's see what universe has to say in order to sync with the universe, okay? And I'll be putting up cards from my Guardian Angel deck. And here we got our two first cards as our focus messages. That is, see only love. It says, look past the seeming errors, mistakes and misunderstandings and see only the love within each person, including yourself. Your resolute focus upon the love that underlies every situation brings about healing is in undreamed of ways. Here you go. See only love. The moment I see this card, the first nudge, the first message that I get from the universe is that the group of people, the group of collective people that I'm connecting to right now, it looks like that you really have, given up on the people around you. It looks like you are only seeing the kind of, disrespect, disregard, or you receive any kind of, hatred or grudges that you have received from the people around. And this is what you have been holding on, all through this time. And the universe is asking you to see only love, my dear people, my dear viewers. See only love. Love is the beautiful gift of the universe, okay? And don't give up on love. Love yourself enough first. The problem is about love. We always expect love from others. This is the biggest misconception or misunderstanding we have about love. To be honest to tell you, love starts with you first, okay? Love truly starts with you first. See love in you. You cannot love anyone in your life if you don't love yourself. So you need to love yourself first. See only the light side first. Don't see or keep on seeing the dark side of everything. What you give out to the universe, that's what universe multiplies it and gives it back to you. All right, be it a good karma or be it a bad karma. Whatever you give out to the universe multiplies it. So universe is asking you to see only love, okay? Today's very strict message for you. See only love. See only goodness in everything. All right? And the next card that we have received is that focus on service. It says, your soul desires only to joyfully serve and to swim in a constant stream of bliss. This stream continuously feeds you everything you need. Put your entire focus upon staying in this stream of giving and receiving in every situation, and in all that you do. What a beautiful message, you see. Focus on the service, my dear people, my dear viewers. Know that you are a beautiful soul. God has beautifully created you to love, to live and let live, to love yourself and to love others. There is a saying, love thy neighbor as thy love yourself. So what I'm trying to tell you is that, viewers, please see only love and focus on the service that you are chosen by God to incarnate on this planet Earth and contribute your stand in the growth of the planet, right? To make our planet a better one. Isn't that we are here for that? To make our planet a better one? what we need to focus on? We need to focus on only love. No hatred, no grudges, nothing. When you do that, that's when you can focus on your service. All right, the service that you are here for. There is a saying, with big powers comes big responsibilities. So before God give you any kind of responsibilities, God prepares you to sustain those responsibilities, gives you those powers, right? You have to come in that power of your soul in order to see the beautiful side of love, see that positive side, positive aspect of everything. All right, and that's when you can focus on the service, right? For what you are here, for what you are incarnated as a human being. That is more important, my beautiful viewers. I would like to tell you, please see the goodness in everything. Don't hang in there in the negative energy. All right, don't hang in there. And if you are seeing some negative energies around you, which is not letting you, move on in life and see the beauty of life, see the beauty in the universe, then this situation that you are in, the situation is asking you to change something in you if you are not able to change that situation. And what you need to do is try to change that situation, right? I'll be using my vice versa tarot card. All right, and let's see. We got Temperance. That's what I was telling you, right? Balancing out those energies to see only love. You can see only love when you understand that everyone that you are meeting, seeing, everyone is going through their own experiences in their life, and they are behaving according to their wisdom that they have, right? According to their knowledge that they have, according to their own life experiences that they have. All right, so that's the reason you are having difficulties in balancing out those positive and negative energy, the divine masculine and the divine feminine energies within you. And God is asking you to see the bigger picture of everything, just bigger picture of everything. Okay, this side of the card says that you are not able to balance out those energies. This side, it says that you are completely healed and you see everything clearly. You have balanced out your divine masculine and feminine energy within you, and that's when you are being in this position of the Temperance, right? And this side, you are not able to balance out. You are switching on, juggling, going back and forth with your thought process, with your energies. You are having hard time dealing with your energies, my dear beautiful soul family. And universe is asking you to please balance out your energies, your thought process. Okay, to focus on, to see love only, and to focus on your service. All right, in order to do that, you will have to balance it out. Yeah, look at that. Victory. If you don't work on this energy, my dear beautiful people, viewers, you will always be in this energy, you will be bleeding, you will never be able to come out victorious. In order to be victorious in your journey, in order to come this side of the journey, you need to let go of certain things that you have been hanging on for almost forever, whatever is your age, whoever is watching me right now. Okay, and universe is asking you to come out of this energy of seeing only blood. All right, don't see only the negative of everything. This group of people that I'm connecting to right now, to be honest, I saw that this also, if you notice, this also came down. This was a kind of mess. When I was trying to set up for today's reading, it was really a mess. And this is the message that I'm getting, This is truly the message that I'm getting through the readings as well. And here, you need to come in this energy of hermit to see the soul crying, to see the soul calling. You have to be in this energy, my dear beautiful people, my dear viewers, my dear beautiful soul tribe. Yes. Once you go within, listen to that soul calling. Listen to that soul calling. That's when you will be able to see everything crystal clear, and you will be free like this dove, you see. You need to come in this energy, my dear beautiful people. Please understand, we need to be very, 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 very clear about our thoughts, right? We need to be very, very clear about our thoughts if we want to bring certain kind of balance into our energy, into our existence. If you cannot do that, you will be forever stuck in this energy, and you will be going through those days of sleepless nights. I don't know why it's been like this since the time I have started doing tarot card reading. Mostly I get energies, I get connected to this kind of people who are really, really going through hard time in their life. They are juggling so much, having so much of conflicts, having so much of back and forth energies with their thoughts, with their choices, with their decisions. Look at that. Look at that. When I'm saying this, universe has spoken, my beautiful people. Universe really has spoken. This is how it is. This is how it is. Please come out of your headspace. You are really, really stuck there. You are not able to balance out. You are fearful. You are not able to see the beauty of anything. That's why you are not able to see love. You are not able to love anyone because you are not able to love yourself. You have lost all your faith from this universe. That God is not there. Everyone is like this. People are bickering, gossiping. They are envious, jealous, hatred, grudges. You are just seeing all this, and that is what is putting you into a shackle wherein you are also getting into that energy of not able to balance out, and that keeps you angry all day, irritating all day, and you are not able to focus on your service. You are just bleeding, with that, you feeling like I'm a failure. And God is asking you to go within, and I would suggest you, please do some meditation, do some breathing exercises, some meditation. Listen to music that really, really, soothe your soul, heals your soul. Music is a beautiful medicine to soul, all right? To soul healing. Please do that. Let not divine intervene in your life to give you a rude awakening. I'm sorry to bring this message to you, my dear beautiful soul family, but let not universe give you that rude awakening. It's time that you wake up from your slumber, see things as it is. Don't keep on vibing in that negative energy. What if and what not, and people are this and that, okay? No. Let me see what our Archangel Michael has to say about this, okay? How he is protecting this entire energy. And please, Archangel Michael, please, Spirit, I call upon you to please, bring some healing energies to my viewers who are watching me right now. I don't know why I'm feeling like to cry, man. I'm really connecting to those kind of people. who, I'm so sorry, I'm really not that emotional, but yeah, these cards, I don't know why these cards are not that bad, you know, from a tarot card perspective, but the energy that I'm feeling is that the kind of people that I'm connecting to right now, you have lost hope, you know. God is asking you to please see the goodness in everything and bring yourself out of that negative energy, you know. The outside world that you see is your own projection, okay? It's your time now to decide what kind of world you would like to see with your eyes. So once you change your perception, you know, that's when you will be able to see outside world as per your thought process. The more you keep vibing in positive energy, the more you will see outside world beautiful. And I know I'm saying it sounds to be very simple and very easy, but when it comes to implementing, you know, it's not that easy. I completely get that, and I completely understand that. I have gone through this situation, and I know how it feels when you are not able to trust anyone, you know, when you know you are like, you cannot, you almost like give up. And universe is saying there is nothing like that, you know, universe has your back. All you need to do is see love only, focus on the service that has been assigned to you, you know, balance out your divine masculine and feminine energies within you. All right, do some meditation, you know, don't keep on seeing only blood, hatred everywhere, you know. In order to come out victorious, you will have to see everything as it is, accept, let go, move on. All right, go within, free yourself like this dove, okay? And Archangel Michael is saying eternal love. You see, there you go. Help me perceive all of the love that surrounds me, so that I can feel safe receiving, expressing and giving love. There you go. Look at them, look at this card, Archangel Michael. He's so beautifully holding you, see. Do you have nothing to worry, my dear beautiful soul family, my beautiful soul tribe? You truly have nothing to worry, you know. Archangel Michael is holding you tight. All right, you have all the protection from the universe in order to move ahead, in order to charge ahead. All you need to do is just believe in yourself. Truly, all you need to do is believe in yourself, and you will see wonders happening in your life. And I would like to just set it up, you know, before I complete this reading, because I don't like that universe not arranging if once it has been messed up, right? Universe works in a different way altogether. Take everything as a omen that you see, you know. Universe is giving you all the guidance and messages that you need, you know. The person that I am that I came to this point of, you know, doing tarot card reading in YouTube, be a YouTuber, you know, come to this power of knowing that who I am as in this human avatar, and what I can do with all my power, the gifted power that I have, you know. All this has been shown to me by one person, you know, that is D from Conscious Evolution Journey. Please guys, I follow her, you know, and watch out her readings. Trust me. Once you follow her, once you implement everything that she's talking about, you know, your life will never be the same again. And I am the biggest example of that. That today I have come to a point of doing this kind of tarot card reading in YouTube. I never had this kind of confidence before, you know. She is the one, you know. Through her, I got this motivation, this inspiration. She is truly my inspiration. So I would suggest you viewers, please go to her channel, look into her videos. You will really get some healing energies. She is truly an energy healer, you know, through her reading. And she has touched many lives through her YouTube channel. And this pile of cards, whatever this card spoke to me today about the energy that the kind of people, the group of people, the mass that I'm connecting to right now, they really need this healing energy. I will be keeping you all in my prayers, my dear beautiful family, my dear beautiful soul tribe. Please don't give up on yourself. Love yourself enough to love others, you know. See good things, all right? Keep seeing some good things. Keep listening to some good things. And then this is how good things will happen, you know. Change your friend circle. If you have friends, those who speak negative a lot, change them. Change them. It is not bad to be selfish sometimes, you know. If you are doing it for your highest good, sometimes it's good to be selfish, you know. Trust me on that. Sometimes it is truly good to be selfish. Okay? Just making sure that while you are trying to be selfish, you are not harming anybody. You are just protecting yourself and you are taking care of your life. You are not giving the power of your life to somebody else, you know, to bring you into this energy. Okay? So this is your message for you. Universe has an eternal love for you. You know, universe loves you. Divine loves you. Let's just try to see things from a different perspective. Implement those good things into your day-to-day life. Keep some wise people in your life, wise friends in your life, some noble friends in your life. You know, change some food habits, you know, all this kind of things. When you do this kind of changes into your life, that's when you will see how wonders happen. Okay? So this is your reading for today. I hope it resonated with you. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. And I will keep you in my prayers. And before I sign off, I thank you so very much for tuning in. Much love and blessings to you all from the universe. Let's sync with the universe. Om Namah Shivaya.